Hi everyone, and thank you for joining in on my very first YouTube tutorial. Today I wanted to show you how I blend in the backdrop and the floor drop. I know a lot of people have asked me how they do this technique, and there is a lot of ways to do it, but for this particular backdrop and setup, this process worked best for me. Again, this is my first time doing any type of tutorial, so please bear with me on the quality and the sound. It will improve as I go along. But if you happen to find any benefits to my videos and you want to continue seeing them, please like and subscribe. That helps keep me going here. So let's begin. I'm going to duplicate my layer. I'm on a mat, just so everybody knows. I'm going to select my patch tool, and then I'm going to select this line that meets between the backdrop and the floor drop. You can see it's black. And I'm going to start right near this prop here. I'm going to draw as close as I can to it, select it. I like to select small amounts at a time. To me, it seems to blend better that way. And then I'm just going to drag it up. Hold it and drag it up. Let go and Command D on a Mac. And you can see that that piece right here blended out and is now all, looks like it's all one piece. And over here, there's still a little bit left, so I'm going to select it again. Let go. Click my mouse, drag it up, and meet it right along the same pole, the post here. Let go. Command D. Getting better. Once again, I'm going to select that last little piece there. Drag it down this time. You can drag it up or down, whatever way looks the best. And there we go. Command D to C. There, that looks nice. Looks much better. So if you happen to make a selection, let's say like this, and you click, drag it up, but you're like, oh, I don't like the way that looks, hit Command Z and it brings it back. Command Z brings it back. So you don't have to go up to the tools menu and hunt around. I find it much easier just to use the commands. Command, and I'm gonna select it this time. I'm actually going to blend it in. I'm gonna select down, and once again I hit Command D to deselect it, and you can see it's blending in really nicely. So for this edit tutorial, I'm only doing my the blending technique I used for this setup. Obviously there's more work that needs to be done, but this was just for that. So I'm gonna bring this down, once again, dragging it down, let go, boom. Command D, deselect to see what I have here, and that looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna select this here, bring it down, Command D. And that looks much better. I'm gonna do it on the other side now. Make a selection, holding my mouse, holding the button down while I'm selecting. Let go of the button. Bring it down, and it's blending in nicely. Command D. I don't know if I can zoom in here if you guys can see. Probably not. Like I said, this is my first time doing a tutorial, so until I get used to how this works, it's probably gonna look bad, but you get the point. There we go, that's a little better. Bring it in a little closer. Aha, a little too close. So I'm gonna point out something here. You'll notice right here there's a piece of the prop is missing right here. So to fix that, I'm gonna select the area that's missing. Same thing with my patch tool. I'm going to drag it down to a area that has that is part of the prop still, and line up the edges. As you can see right here, it's now lined up. Let go, and it's brought it back. So that's just a little trick that I do to bring back some of the prop if it happens to get blended out during this process. Okay, so we're back to our original view. I'm going to select again. I'm just going to continue doing this, blend it down, and I'm sure you probably get the point now and how to do it. So there's actually many ways of doing this. This is just, like I said, one way that I've done it that works for me. and this particular setup. Sometimes you get setups where there's a lot of props and you may find this may not work for you. So in that case, there are other options, and I'll probably do other videos to show you how I would handle those as well. If you're interested, please like and subscribe and help a girl out. So I'm just showing you how I clean up some of these cords. It's so quick with this method. Yeah, there we go. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, just giving you an idea. So the patch tool is a really awesome tool. So I thank you very much for checking this first video of mine out, and I hope you'll come back and check out some more. I'll try to at least get one up a week if I can, and I hope you found it useful. Thank you.